Es que la estándar. Hello, good morning. My name is Nelson Ramirez. I'm going to talk about positive and negative impact of technology. As you know, technology become a tool used by every common. However, I consider that technology has broad negative aspect to the environment. I think that factory and technology industrial has increased the pollution because it's a die consumers. In addition, the manufacture of this allow the high degree of use of the matter that matter the environment. In my opinion, the heat consumption on the technology has that day by day the environment sees the matching the industrial process of creation had coins pollution. It's important that governmental bodies, technology companies should regulate the production and consumer electronic equipment. This will help owner reset negative impacts technology on the environment. Have been a consumer has had play control and the commercial last were held on until they don't board dominating their so they can continue to make use and way to buy in new choosing option with as little negative impact as possible. Gracias.